Hey friends, good morning. I'm Anson Thomas, ex-Customs hockey goalkeeper. And today I'm here at the Air India ground in Kalina, Santa Cruz. I just came here to do my warm-up exercise, and I'm so happy when I saw this Mumbai Cricket Club Summer Club Camp 2025 going on. And I saw so many youngsters who have come to this camp, and they are bursting with energy doing their practice. And when I was young, I used to go to Khalsa College to do the hockey camp under Jaswant Singh. And today I'm so happy that this summer clubs and camps are still going on. Why am I talking about this? I had been to Kerala, and I had gone across Kerala talking about something very important, that is about drugs. School kids into drugs. Can you think about it? School kids. Earlier used to think about grown-up people into drugs. But young kids who go to school are into drugs. But why am I happy about this? Youngsters, they come over here to practice. And when they practice, they burn their energy. And there's no time to go out and into smoking, drinking. They get tired and they want to rest. And they want to go back again and do their practice, and they want to become Indian cricketers. Maybe not Indian cricket team, but play for Mumbai and become good citizens of our country and not into drugs. So dear friends, it's not just in Mumbai. I would also advise the Kerala Cricket Association and all the associations of different states to have such summer clubs during the vacation time, where the young kids, they go for the camp, and instead of sitting on the mobile phones and playing, that they are out over here and they learn a lot of things, and especially about discipline in life. Sports taught me about discipline. Today, it's not just playing hockey and after retiring, just sitting at home. God used me to go into the red light areas of Mumbai, India and the world, to go and play with the children who were born in the brothels. I could take high-profile cricketers like Steve Waugh, Adam Gilchrist, Nicky Boye, Joel Garner, Ian Bishop, Murli Karthik, Harbhajan Singh, Tinu Yohanan, Ebi Kurwala, Sachin Tendulkar, such type of high-profile personalities to the red light areas to be positive role models for the children born in the brothels. Today, those kids have done their MBA, graduate, postgraduates, and they are good citizens of our country. So, dear friends, when I see something good which is happening, I really get charged, and I really want to encourage such type of things, not just in Mumbai, but all over, so that our country is drug-free. It's said that prevention is better than cure. So, dear friends, let us prevent our country from drugs and make our children the best. So thank you for listening to me, and God bless you.